Hi everyone, Letty here. Welcome to hashtag N2S March 24. I have another not too shabby shop March releases video. This time I'm using the stamp set, I'm gonna make one card design 8 different ways. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. So today I am going to bring to you some new releases. I have the Paper Pad Club, the coordinating add-on ephemera pack, and the stamp and die set of the month, all from Not Too Shabby. Let's start with the Paper Pad Club. So it comes with 2 paper pads. The first one's called A Walk in My Garden. It's a 6x6 double-sided 12 design paper pad. Really cute. You've got some cute subtle, like almost pastels and real calm, tranquil colors, A Walk in My Garden. Then we have a second one that's called Spring Watercolors. This one is also really pretty, really calming. I really like the calming effect of both of these paper pads this month. So these are going to coordinate great with just about anything. So those are the Paper Pad Club. Then there's also an option to do an add-on ephemera pack, and this coordinates with the A Walk in My Garden paper pad. Look how cute this is. I'm going to include a still shot of all the items that come in that ephemera pack. Really pretty fences and birdhouses and plants, florals, hats, lots of fun there. Then we have the stamp and die set of the month, and this one's called My Garden. What I love about this is you've got lots of really great sentiments, and then you also have lots of really great images. So you've got some gardening items, some spring items, floral images, lots of really great images here, great for this time of year. Then we have the coordinating die set, and what I love about this is you can die cut all of the different words and phrases, is not only just the images, but also those words and sentiments. So really cute, versatile stamp and die. So we have Paper Pad Club, the add-on ephemera, and the stamp and die set of the month, all from the Not Too Shabby Shop. New releases for this month. Let's go ahead and dive into the project. So let me first show you my previous projects using these items. I had done 2 sets of cards. The first set of cards was this one using some ephemera. I just cut my mat sort of in half, and then I added a circle die cut on top with my ephemera pieces, a sentiment, added some enamel dots. Then the second one, I did the March sheet load of cards for this design. You see here, I have some different pattern paper. I have a little inlay on top with some mats. I did decorate the insides of my cards, added some enamel dots, ephemera pieces, sentiments. Super cute. I love these patterns. And I forgot to show this, but I did decorate the insides of my first cards as well. So I'll link both of these videos at the very end of this one. Just keep watching and the videos will pop up for you. So today I'm going to be primarily using this My Garden stamp set. This is the one that came from the stamp and die set of the month. I had been previously using the sentiments quite a bit, and I did use some of the images to decorate the insides of my cards, but what I wanted to do was showcase some of these gorgeous images on the fronts of my cards today. So I'm going to use this stamp set. I'm also going to use the Spring Watercolors paper pad. This is a 6x6 paper, double-sided, really gorgeous colors, watercolor. I think these would be great for some backgrounds. I'm also going to bring in some store-bought card bases. If you've seen my channel before, you know this is one of my goals for this year, use up these card bases. So I had those in my stash. Today I'm going to make one card design 8 different ways with that stamp set, and I'm bringing in that paper. So I wanted to do sort of a rainbow theme because I thought these images would be so fun. I did add the stamped images onto a die cut scalloped rectangle. Then I added a layer of matte with some faux stitching with my Micron or Pigma Micron 3 pen. And then I added them onto these store-bought card bases that have floral images on them. So lots of color. And I colored the images in a way that would look sort of like the rainbow. So you've got your red, your orange, your yellow, your green, your blue, your indigo, and your violet. I did sort of add a little bit of a spin on each different one. On this one, I brought in some glossy accents, actually on all of them, but on this one, I primarily just did the little focal image with glossy accents, added some enamel dots. On the second one, I went ahead and colored the entire image with glossy accents after I had already colored it with markers. And so I just added a little bit of extra shine on this one and added the enamel dots to the corner. On this one, I did more of just like you can't really tell too much. Maybe here on the flowers, you can see more of just like a messy, addition of the glossy accents. I think you can see it a little bit better in person. Added some enamel dots in little clusters here and there. Again, just to kind of match with the patterns from the rainbow, the colors. On this one, what I did was add little dots. So I don't know if you can kind of see it there with the shine. I added little dots of glossy accents on all of the little images. So I'm just kind of showing you a couple different ways you can embellish these cards, use your stamp set, and kind of make some different looking cards. Even though these all look very similar, there's subtle differences to each one. And then on this next one, what I did was I colored the little focal image on each of the stamp, and then I added a rainbow of dots sort of all the way around. I don't know if you can see that. the little dots of the glossy accents, and then again added some enamel dots. On this one, I did some dots with the markers, and then I also added some little enamel glossy accents to the actual images you see there, almost the full image, and then added some enamel dots all the way around. Super, super easy. Then these next two, I colored in the actual rainbow with my alcohol markers. I added glossy accents to the images themselves, and I added some, different enamel dots as well, again, matching with the colors. And then on this last one, I did very similar, but in this case, I actually added dots of glossy accents on the entire rainbow background. So I colored in the images and then added those enamel dot glossy accent dots. So again, this was one card design, 8 different ways, focusing on that stamp set, which is the My Garden stamp and die set of the month. It's called My Garden. It came out with the new March release. And I also did use that watercolor, spring watercolor paper, the 6x6 for my backgrounds you see here that I've added to each of the cards. So again, these were the March releases from Not Too Shabby Shop. This was the Paper Pad Club, the Add-On Ephemera, and the stamp and die set of the month, all from March from Not Too Shabby. I do have my affiliate link. I'll link down below in case you have not made your purchases. Definitely want to try that. And then again, make sure you check out hashtag N2S March 24 to get all the inspiration from the design team this month and from Jamie as well, using these new releases for the month of March. So it was the Paper Pad Club, Add-On Ephemera, the box of the month, which I did not show, and then the stamp and die set, which I did show and I featured in today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting.